CCTV
Hatu pidon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e hotong kejongpi. Ke admission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Presiden ke United Democratic Party ba medba langdo abderu menteri sarkar jela hak santrik ujelio arja penrio riatu baka parti kelap Pdiang yak Shithi ina kam jomba Robert Jun Kharjarin hak jingakran begilat thai kubor ba medba ulaong baka parti ke buram yakarai ke bula shim bad ongru baka ne jing ina kam jomba Kharjarin kamde setia baka don ke jing shrut apo ke parti.
No, see, everyone we have the freedom to think in whatever way we feel like, but we would like to also enlighten everyone as far as any doubts or things which are not clear in their mind. However, in this case, we have just received a resignation letter citing that because of that. And from the party level, we have nothing to say. That is, we respect the decision made by him so far, and we have accepted in the party as far as this decision is concerned. No, there's no division because as I've said, we have received the decision letter from him only. So, I don't see anything which, as you said, the difference between or the differences that we have within the party. I don't see anything of that sort. See, everybody has the right to express whatever they have in their mind. The concerns or the decision taken by the party. There's always a platform within the party as I've said, to dialogue, to interact and to have a consultation with respect to any matter related to the party affairs. And in this regard, I would like to say here that the letter which you mentioned just now was basically the letter which has been leaked out from whatever sources, and but as I have requested, kindly respect that this is the internal matter of the party. We have sorted out. I have personally met the Jinglong City, and everything has been settled down.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.